Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable AI pins on Pinterest so your feed shows fewer AI generated images. So let's get started. First, you want to open your Pinterest and go to settings. From there, you want to look for the option called refine your recommendations. Now, this is where you can control what types of content appear in your feed. Now you want to tap on Gen AI interest. Now these are the topics related to AI generated images. You'll see a list of niches that include AI content like AI art, beauty, children's fashion. All you have to do is just simply remove the ones you don't want to see. For example, like that. After that, your feed will show fewer AI pins and your Pinterest experience will be more tailored to what you actually like. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.